Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be continuing making the bridge. I'm going to be making the top portion of the bridge that is flat by making a floor. So let's get started. You're going to make sure you're on level 2 for this, because the ramp we already did in level 1, or you should have. So now we already have the ramp here, so I'm just going to be adding on to it, drawing it out. So let's start. I'm going to go to Structure, Floor, I'm going to go ahead to the old sketch and check the dimensions. You notice that the center lines are 13.5 and 93.8. So that's 13.6 inches. I'm just going to go ahead and draw it. I can edit the dimensions when I click on it. That's 93.8. And it's 106 degrees. Okay, so now we have that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to offset these lines. We already have 4 feet. I'm going to delete these center lines. Those are just there for reference to create the offset. Because for the floor, all we need is the perimeter. Then we can draw a line. Connect these there. And connect this here. Just create a floor. It has to be a closed object. And I'm going to click span direction. It can really be anywhere. This is just showing you the direction these little notches will go. But our floor plan is going to have these anyway, but you still need to have a span direction somewhere in a floor plan. So there we go. That's our sketch. I don't need that, so I'm gonna hide it. That's just there for reference or appearance. It looks better if it's like a normal square floor and not this shape here, but we don't need it. So now I can edit the floor. It's already set to level 2, but I can change the type because we want this to be 12 inches or 1 foot. We already know that from the sketch. The material, again, I'm not going to change the material in these sketches because that's going to be up to each group to figure out. I mean, a lot of these details are going to be changing based on what each group does. I'm just here to show you how to make these changes. So I'm going to start with that, 12 inches. Then I can go to the 3D view to check. And yes, that looks right. And that is our floor.